Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the Toyota Corolla handbrake. Start by ensuring the car is on level ground and the parking gear is engaged, then place wheel chocks behind the wheels. Use a jack and jack stands to lift the rear safely and wear gloves and eye protection. Locate the handbrake adjuster and the cable under the car and clear any debris so you have full access to the mechanism. Begin by listing the tools you need and inspecting visible components closely. Lift the rear and remove the wheels if necessary to access the handbrake cable, drum, or rotor hardware. Check the cable for fraying and the adjuster for seized threads, and examine brake shoes or pads for uneven wear. Measure lever travel to determine the required adjustment and note any parts that may need replacement before final tuning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and keeps shop floors tidy so you stay focused on the handbrake job. Its smart mapping saves time and avoids cables while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by accessing the adjuster at the rear brake assembly or under the handbrake lever, depending on model. Turn the adjuster nut clockwise in small increments to tighten the cable, then test lever travel frequently so you don't over-tighten. Check wheel rotation with the brake applied to ensure slight drag indicates proper engagement. If the cable or adjuster is seized, free it with penetrating oil or replace it, then repeat the tuning process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.